In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank details in Zoho Invoice. This is a simple process, but it's crucial for ensuring that all your financial transactions are conducted smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're updating your banking information due to changes in your financial institutions or simply reviewing your details for accuracy, these steps will guide you through the process. First, you'll want to start by going to the Settings section in your Zoho Invoice dashboard. To find this, simply look for the gear icon, which is commonly associated with settings across various applications. Once you're there, navigate specifically to the PDF Templates section. This is where you hang your invoices on the virtual wall, metaphorically speaking, so you can present them professionally with all the necessary financial details. With your focus now on the PDF templates, you'll need to select the specific invoice template that requires updating. Under the Invoices tab, you'll find a list of templates. As you hover over the template you wish to modify, you'll see an Edit option appear. Go ahead and click Edit. Now that you're in edit mode, locate the left sidebar. It's your navigation tool here, and you'll want to find the option labeled Other Details. Clicking on this takes you deeper into customization, giving you access to a range of additional options for your invoice. Under the Payment Options section, there's a link that says Add Your Bank Details. When you click on this, a pop-up window will appear. This window is your gateway to updating critical banking information such as your bank account number, the name of your bank, SWIFT code, IBAN, and any other pertinent details that ensure your financial transactions are smooth and accurate. Before you finalize anything, it's always a good idea to preview your changes. With that in mind, locate the Preview button. Clicking this will let you see exactly how your updated bank details will display on your invoice PDF. It's like a dress rehearsal for your invoices, ensuring everything looks just right before it goes live. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure you save your work. You'll find the Save button in the top right corner. Clicking Save is crucial as it locks in all the adjustments, ensuring your invoices going forward will carry the correct bank details. And that's everything you need to know to change your bank details in Zoho Invoice. Following these steps will help keep your invoicing up to date and your financial processes running smoothly. If anything is unclear, don't hesitate to revisit these instructions or explore Zoho's help resources for additional guidance. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful.